easier to give it away. Nobody wants a boat like that. Gas fees are horrific. Just all those comments, like there's so much negativity in the world, but I'm thankful. Okay guys, new camera here. I'm on my way to church. But after church, I want to tell you all about our boat. Remember, a generous farmer gifted us a Bayliner from the late 80s, early 90s. Now we just have to pay the slip fees, the registration, insurance, etc. But we are so honored and blessed. So the inside is like a straight up time capsule. He kept such good care of it, but obviously the finishes are a little bit dated. It has a full kitchen, like a bedroom with a full-size bed, some storage, a really clean bathroom. The overhead, it can be lightened up if we open the windows, but the bathroom is in such good shape. We are like so happy. It has a V-berth in the back, and we're just gonna make some subtle changes. Nothing to the outside, nothing to the exterior, nothing to the top. We can like host on this boat. We're super excited. But later on the video, I'm gonna share with you the inside renovation progress. I don't know, should I wear the Guerlain Beluga or the Métier Vanilla Powder? I get so many compliments. So I'm doing my clinicals in a psych ward, and one of the workers was like, "What are you wearing?" He insisted that I show him what it was. Of course, I didn't use my phone because we're not allowed to bring our phones in there. Anyhow, I get a lot of compliments on that. But I think I want to be like warm and smoky and sultry. So we're going to use the Beluga. This is the most expensive cologne. Actually, I bought it for my husband, but he never wears it. I'm making really good progress on the boat, guys. I'm gonna add some footage of what they're doing so far. They're so annoyed with me. I keep messaging them, send me videos, send me pictures, and they're like, "Lady, can we just work?" But I really want you guys to see and get excited and come along on this journey with me. Okay, gotta go to church. No makeup, no nose ring, but this is the outfit. So I did the lime wash. The whole room has the lime wash. I even did the ceiling. Oh my God, it took me forever. A few videos back, you can see what I did. I want to show you guys something else. Bam! Check out that ambiance, guys. Can you see it? Look. So basically ran a strip across the whole back. This gives it the je ne sais quoi, you know what I mean? Which is French for I don't know what. The pièce de résistance. That one little icing on the cake. The cherry on top. Yeah, I think it looks really cute. Okay, so in the last video, remember we went to West Coast Canvas and I picked out some different materials. I was so impressed with this place. This was so nostalgic for me because I used to have a business where I used to sew and make leather agendas. Anyhow, I love seeing the artisans and the materials and the walking foot sewing machines, and oh my gosh, I wish I could work there. But anyhow, so another thing that we did in the last video is we used this boat hoist. We pulled the boat out and we scraped and repainted the whole bottom, and most importantly, we scraped and removed some of these mussels.
They're painting all this.
Oh. Yeah, but unfortunately this is the only picture we have of the boat with its new paint before it went back into the water. They're pulling out the carpet, adding more carpet. The original carpet that I wanted for the boat, it was too expensive. It's been like $1,000 more just for the leopard. The quote they gave me was for their in-stock carpet, which looked pretty comparable, pretty similar. And mind you, we're not, this little renovation I'm doing on a major budget. So it's kind of like, since it wasn't in the plans to since this wasn't planned for, I'm like, let me save where I can. You know what I mean? Like, it's not that serious. It's just a carpet. And we're totally blessed that my husband met that guy who gave us the boat. And I have all these crazy comments. People are like, he gave away a bill. He wanted to offload it. Easier to give it away. Nobody wants a boat like that. Gas fees are horrific. Just all those comments. Like, there's so much negativity in the world. But I'm thankful. My husband's always wanted a boat. We never had the budget to buy a boat. So I'm just counting it as a blessing. So let me know in the comments what you guys think.